Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, we are gonna have a moment of realness here before I get into today's look. Maintenance came to my apartment today because there's been a leak. Now, they told me not to use the hot water in the kitchen because that's where the leak is. Someone explained to me why I went to take a shower just now, and my hot water's off. It's like 48 degrees outside. And I even gave it like 20 minutes to warm up. Well, that's an exaggeration. I gave it like 5 minutes to warm up. When it didn't warm up, I turned the cold off completely and was like, it's still not warming up after a few minutes. These people here turned off my hot water and then have the nerve to tell me someone should hopefully, keyword in this statement, hopefully be out tomorrow to fix it. Okay, that all being said, we're just gonna do today's look. Get right into it. I'm actually gonna do my brows first today. And I'm going to start out with the Too Faced Chocolate Brownie eyebrow pencil. And what I like to do with this is I like to, because it is angled, as you can see, I like to actually just press it down and do it this way. I'm going to mix some primers today. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer, and I'm going to put that all over my face. And I have already moisturized, by the way. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Clean Slate Timeless, and I'm going to focus that on my nose and where my pores are. Every time I've used this, I've used it wet, but I've heard you can also use it dry. So we're going to try that today. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation and put a pump and a half on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take my little sponge here. I really don't like that. I'm going to go get this wet because I really don't like this. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Concealer. I'm going to go ahead and prep my Too Faced Born This Way. Okay, so I'm going to dip my sponge into the Born This Way powder, and then I'm going to spritz it with the Rainforest of the Sea because I don't want it to be super, super matte today. Now for just some extra dewiness, I'm going to go in with Pacifica Crystal Power Hydro Mist. And then I'm going to take my sponge and just pat all that in. For contour today, I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I'm going to get a number 1 brush. Get a number 1 brush. Swirl it in there. I'm going to dip back in here just a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Luxie brush. This is a 249. I'm going to very lightly with the fluffier end dip into the bronzer. I'm gonna contour my nose real quick. Okay, now using that same brush, the flat end, I'm gonna start baking. I'm going to go a line down my nose. So now, while the rest of my face bakes, I'm going to start my eyes. Today I'm using the Sultry palette. I got this from Ipsy. This is a Farrah 35E brush. I'm gonna go into the shade Fresh. I'm just gonna dust that all over my eye. Now, using ABH Cosmetics number 6 brush, I'm going to go into Birch. Okay, now I'm going to go into shade Twig. Now I'm going to take that Farrah brush that we used the first time and just soften up the inner corner here. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with a number 6 brush from the Rosé Romance collection. And go into Dystopian. Lightly tap into that. And I'm literally going to just do this on the outer corner. Okay. Now, before I start all the fun shimmers and everything, I'm going to take my number 10 brush and I'm going to dip into Twig and smoke out my lower lash line. All right, and that's literally all I'm doing to my lower lash line. Going with a number 8 brush from the BH Cosmetics Romance Rosé collection. And I'm going to spritz my brush with the Pacifica Hydro Mist. And I'm going to dip into Cyborg. I'm just going to pat that on my entire lid. Now I'm going to go into Rose Quartz. I'm going to pop that close to my lash line in the center. All right. Now I'm going to take that number 10 brush and I'm going to go into Pearl. I'm going to spritz that as well. I'll pop that on my inner corner. Okay. Take my number 2 brush from my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro line, and I'm going to dust off my bake. Blush brush. I'm going to go into Sleek Makeup Blush. This is the shade Rose Gold. And I'm going to apply some eyeliner, and then I'm going to set my face. Okay. Now, alright, so I went ahead and I put on some Boots No. 7 mascara, some Tarte Maneater eyeliner, touched up my brows, put some Lime Crime bushy brow gel in there, and then I set my face with my Kat Von D setting spray. And today I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Moon Tears highlighter. And I'm using my number 4 brush from the BH Cosmetics Rosé collection, and I'm just going to, because it's a loose highlighter, I'm just going to tap it where I want it. Okay, so my highlighter's on. Now I'm just going to set my face one more time. And today I'm going in with Rosé from Tarte. Okay, and that's it. So despite this starting off kind of rocky, I am ready for work. Oh, almost. I have to go take my hair down and forewarn my husband about the shower incident. He's gonna be so happy. Yeah, I'm sorry about my little vent session earlier, guys, but we're all human. We all have them. Mine had just happened a few minutes before I sat down to film, so it was still very fresh and very much on my mind, and I needed to share with somebody how mad I was. But that is today's look. That is using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I got it for Christmas and I love it. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you are subscribed and you don't have that notification bell hit, come on, guys. Come on. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching and have a good weekend. Bye.